Welcome to our lesson on prokaryotic cells. These are the simplest and most ancient forms of cellular life on our planet. The word prokaryotic comes from Greek, meaning before nucleus. These remarkable cells are the foundation of life as we know it. Prokaryotic cells are the most ancient and simplest form of cellular life on Earth. What makes them unique is that they lack a membrane-bound nucleus. Unlike more complex cells, prokaryotes don't have their genetic material enclosed in a separate compartment. They also lack other membrane-enclosed organelles that you might find in more complex cells. All prokaryotic life falls into two distinct domains. The first domain is bacteria, which are the most common prokaryotes you'll encounter. They're found practically everywhere on Earth. The second domain is Archaea. These are special prokaryotes that often thrive in extreme environments like hot springs, salt lakes, and deep ocean vents. Let's explore the defining features of prokaryotic cells. First, they have no membrane-bound nucleus, which is their most distinctive trait. Their DNA floats freely in a region called the nucleoid. Prokaryotic cells are typically small and have a simple structure compared to other cell types. They reproduce through a process called binary fission, which is essentially splitting into two identical cells. Every prokaryotic cell contains four essential components. The cell membrane controls what enters and exits the cell, acting like a gatekeeper. The cytoplasm is a gel-like fluid that fills the cell and provides a medium for cellular processes. Ribosomes are molecular machines that synthesize proteins, which are crucial for cell function. Finally, the nucleoid is the region containing the cell's circular DNA, which carries all genetic information. Many prokaryotes have additional structures that help them survive. The cell wall provides protection and helps maintain the cell's shape. Flagella are whip-like structures that allow the cell to move through its environment. Pili are hair-like projections used for attachment to surfaces and for transferring DNA between cells. Some prokaryotes also have a capsule, which is an extra protective layer surrounding the cell wall. Prokaryotic cells are incredibly small. Their typical size ranges from 0.1 to 5.0 micrometers. To put this in perspective, a micrometer is 1/1,000,000th of a meter. This makes prokaryotic cells much smaller than eukaryotic cells, which can be 10 to 100 times larger. Prokaryotes play crucial roles in our world. They are essential for nutrient cycling in ecosystems, breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients. Scientists use them extensively in biotechnology and medicine, from producing insulin to creating antibiotics. Prokaryotes represent the earliest forms of life on Earth, appearing over 3.5 billion years ago. Today, they are found in every habitat on the planet, from Antarctic ice to volcanic vents, making them the most successful life forms in Earth's history.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.